tech news story over on the Wall Street Journal that was written by Lauren Weber and Lindsay Ellis. They reported on a new study that found that AI tools could more quickly handle at least half of the tasks that auditors, interpreters, and writers do now. The study found that at least half of the tasks in accounting can be completed much faster with generative artificial intelligence, abbreviated GAI. The study examined the exposure of various occupations to GAI, which can analyze and generate text. The researchers found that 80% of workers in certain occupations would be affected by GAI. Information processing roles, including public relations specialists, court reporters, and blockchain engineers, are highly exposed. However, the researchers did not predict which jobs would be lost or how fast the change would happen. Many employers are worried about the accuracy and security of GAI in its current state. Microsoft did a big study recently on how they plan on implementing their artificial intelligence in their products in Office 365 and others. So take a look and see there's lots of news out there about AI and how it's going to affect occupations. In our next section, we're going to talk about WordPress plugins. As long as WordPress plugins have been around, people have discussed whether or not you could put too many plugins on a WordPress website before it would affect the performance. But now the discussion is the number of plugins installed on a WordPress website is not important, but the quality of the plugins is crucial. Low-quality plugins can cause security flaws, site crashes, increased HTTP requests, or database queries, reliability issues, compatibility issues, and poor performance and slower speed. A well-written and updated plugin is much more efficient than poorly written and neglected ones. So to ensure that only high-quality plugins are installed, it's important to research the developers that are writing them, check the rating score at WordPress.org, and seek help from a professional developer if you need it. The focus should be on the quality of the plugins and how well they interact and run within the plugin stack, rather than their quantity, according to recent research. In this week's Creative Technology section, we're going to talk about sketchnoting, or visual note-taking as it's also called, which is a method of taking notes using illustrations, symbols, graphic layouts, and text. Sketchnoting can also be a useful tool for enhancing creativity, memory, and critical thinking skills. By visually mapping out ideas and concepts, individuals can make connections and see patterns that may not have been clear before. Sketchnoting can also be a fun and engaging way to take notes, making it more likely that the information will be remembered and retained. Overall, sketchnoting is a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their note-taking, communication, and problem-solving skills. And in its basic essence, a sketch note is just a drawing, so you don't need any special applications to start making them yourself. However, if you're a digital creator, you might want to try some open source illustration applications, which are free. So starting up first, we have MyPaint. Second, we have Krita, which is Krita. Third, we have Inkscape. And fourth, we have Drawpile. So again, all you have to do is take a look at those applications, see if they work for your needs, or if you want to go analog, all you need is some paper, pen, pencil, and crayons, and you're set to go for sketchnoting or visual note-taking. So get out there and create something today. Let's wrap up this week's episode with some cybersecurity news for Android users out there. Security researchers at Kaspersky have noted that Android malware in the official Google Play Store is becoming more sophisticated. The researchers found hacked apps for sale on the dark web that could be used for the installation of malware and spyware onto Android devices. Hackers can pay for developer accounts and then convert existing trusted apps into those that now contain hidden malware. These apps might then accumulate downloads before the malicious payloads are introduced. The malware can grant attackers complete control of a device or be used to steal information from it. So be alert always wherever you're downloading your apps, whether you're on Android or iOS. And as always, make sure you know what types of risks are involved with any download.